come along as I make a handle for this Razer kit using this piece of desert ironwood, my Shopsmith bandsaw and lathe. First I'm going to cut this piece of scrap desert ironwood down into the size of the blank. Now I'm going to use horizontal boring and my Nova truck to drill a 7mm hole through the center of the blank. Now I'm going to use the belt sander and this handy squaring jig from Penn States to square the end of this blank. Sapwood side of this piece of wood is a little bit punky, so I'm going to stabilize it with some Starbond super glue. Alright, that is 3 coats with this Starbond original super trim. Wow, that went on so nice. I'm really tempted to just finish there. It doesn't even need sanding. That is gorgeous. Didn't get the recording, but following the 3 coats of the original super thin, I put 3 coats of this flexible medium thick on here. And that is no sanding. You know, it's worth touching up with the mesh pads, but yeah, that's amazing. And now I'll finish it off with some Ultra Pro finishing polish.